Jojo, say hi.
Look a bee, Mommy. Look a bee.
Yeah, that was a bee.
Baba bee. Baba bee.
You want to come sit on the bench and have a picnic? Yeah, let's go. Let's walk. Come on, let's go. Oh, there's a bench. Over here. See, there's a bench. And some boulders. We are at the Cheyenne Mountain State Park. And apparently there are black bears here, so we need to be careful. Yeah?
Yeah, I see more big bears.
Yeah, bears.
Where are bears going here? Where are bears?
They're going night-night right now. You want to sit on the bench and eat some sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Where are bears? Where are bears?
I don't know where your bears are.
Where are bears? Where are bears?
Can you say bye-bye?
Where are bears?
She's more concerned about her bears. Say bye!
Where are bears?
Say bye!
Where are bears?
Where are bears?